In this next video, I'm going to show you how to do a dead bug core exercise. So we're going to start by laying on your back. You're going to lift up both of your legs and make sure that your spine's neutral. So make sure not to be arching your back, make sure not to fully tuck or flex. So you're going to be somewhat in the middle so that your ribs and your pelvis are stacked. We're going to have your arms up towards the ceiling. You're going to exhale and tighten your core as you kick out one leg and the opposite arm. And then you're going to inhale, come back, and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now you want to make sure when you're doing this that as you straighten out the leg that you don't arch the back or lose that core activation. And exhale, inhale, exhale. Now if you want to make this harder, you can always add weights into your hand. Good. And relax. So that's how you do the dead bug.